So this is my 2008 Nissan 350Z, and we are going to do a full refresh on this car. So I'm gonna bring this over to my job at Miranda Built to get all this work going, and let's get it there. while. I basically got the car back together. I'm heading back to my shop now, and I'll show you the progress when I get there. Probably gonna stop and get some Chipotle or something. But the car is almost done. So here it is. It's back together. It's back in one piece. All the glass work is done. Freshened up the paint on the cage. I did a little delete panel for the radio. Fixed all the cracks, fixed the mounting, and it's ready for paint. So that's gonna be at a later date. I'll do another video on painting the car. But for now, I'm probably just gonna throw it in the shop and let it sit for a while as I focus on this car. So this is my 1999 GZX 100 Toyota Chaser that I'm doing a 2J swap. So this will just be like a fun street car, slide in like parking lots and whatever, but I've done quite a bit of tearing apart. I already shaved the whole bay. All the holes are been welded shut, and I gotta do some like tin work and do all the sheet metal paneling and B-rolls and all the fancy shit. And then once all that's done, I'll prep it for paint, tuck the harness. I'm gonna do a custom body harness as well. And then this will be like a driver's car. So this, my goal for this car is gonna be make like maybe 450, 500, single turbo swap, and just be like super like restored engine bay, and maybe little bits and pieces on the interior. But it's just it's got the kit on that's not on it right now, but that will be a good driver's car. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on finishing this car, and the drift car will just go back into the shop and probably just sit for a while until I decide to paint it. But that's my update. I think it came out pretty good. Obviously, it still looks like shit until some paint, but